I realized the other day that I'm somebody's hero. I'm somebody's black welding hero. Somebody's black independent welding hero. Someone's looking at me like, man, if he can do it, I can do it. And you can. I appreciate that because you can do anything. I'm doing it with the rawest of the odds. I had to learn it, and I'm learning it the rawest way. And now that my eyes are opening to the concept, I'm learning how to network myself properly and better to get more clients in. But I'm doing this raw. And you know what else I'm doing? I'm teaching it. I'm giving you an examples. That's why I post so many videos of small content of me doing different jobs and going different places and just doing different stuff and just talking about different experiences that I faced being independent, because I want you to see exactly how I did it. So you can say, yeah, I can go back in the archives and watch him when he was broke and he started with this little bitty machine and then he went to here. Me being a hero is only to empower you to be a hero, because the goal is we can only live so long. So if I can empower you to empower the next and the next empower the next, do you know how many black superheroes we're going to have? A lot. Let's create our own. My name is Black Phoenix. I'm an artist, hip-hop artist, but I'm also an American black welding superhero.